Are you getting bored of conventional games? Are you tired of sitting and waiting and doing absolutely nothing? Do you need a way to annoy every single living thing around you? Then it sounds like the fidget spinner is just for you. Fidget spinner is perfect for walking, sitting, and tricks too. Fidget spinners are good for commuting and traveling. Fidget spinners come in various shapes, sizes, and colors too. Great for any occasion. Do you have ADHD and need something to fidget with? Then this product isn't for you. Remember, Jesus died for our spins, so don't miss out on this opportunity. If you believe the fidget spinner is just for you, then call 1-800-FIDGET. Remember, this is not a product for ADHD. So if you're cool enough to have the fidget spinner, then call 1-800-FIDGET. Spin your way to virginity today.